Hello, this is a 2000, I think, 18 GLE400. If you can see this GLE400. Just doing an oil change right here. So then support the vehicle, jack it up, and then we want to remove this cover. Cover tab. I like to put this aside so I don't have to deal with this. Oil filters on top right here, so just gonna undo it slightly, and then on the bottom you have these 8mm screw right here, and then the drain plug is a 13. Drain plug is a 13, like a small one. It should be right there. Yeah, I do have to remove the under panel right there, and after that replace this drain plug gasket and then tighten it, and everything else should be very straightforward. Just a quick video. I think it takes 6.5 liters, around 6.5 liters to 7 liters. And then let me show you the oil filter. So on this engine, Mercedes actually have two different kinds. Let me show you. So this one, see? This one that come with this shape, this wave. And then if you compare to this guy, I actually ordered both just because I know there's two different oil filters for the same engine. So you have this and you have this, but then you also have this. This one. See? So then these two are the same oil filter. That one is this one. The one with the waveform. So don't forget to check what filter you have in the car.